Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to install the SSR reports. Okay. So I just opened Visual Studio 2019 here, and in this we are going to install the SSR reports settings. So go to extension in the top tile and select manage extensions. Once you select the manage extensions, under most downloads category, you will see Microsoft Reporting Services project. See here, Microsoft Reporting Services project. Just click that and click right side. You will get the button called download and click download. So it will take some time to download and it will get installed automatically as well. So let's wait for that. Now the Microsoft Reporting Service projects has been downloaded. See the instruction. Your changes will be scheduled. The modifications will begin when all Microsoft Visual Studio windows are closed. So what we are going to do is we'll just close the Visual Studio once and then we will try to open again. See, it is getting installed. As soon as I close that Visual Studio 2019, right, it is installing that SSRS report. So I'm just trying to reopen the Visual Studio 2019. Let me close that. Let's get this installation complete. See, it is asking by clicking modify, you agree with the above license terms and the installation of the prerequisites. So let's click this modify button. Now it is getting installing. It took almost 10 minutes and now the reporting services has been installed. Okay, so let me close this and let's try opening Visual Studio again. I'll just go continue without code only. Again, when you go and see under this extension, under the manage extension, you will see some green color tick mark in the right side. See, earlier it was not there. Now it shows green color tick mark. That means it's already installed. So now we have installed the SSRS reports. So how to verify it? So let's verify by creating new file. Seems like without solution we cannot create the report files. So let me close this and create a new solution. So I'll just create new project. ASP.NET Web. Sorry, let's create this web application. I'll create taste SSRS as a project solution. Let me create one. See, I have the DB folder, so let's create that. I'll use 4.6 .NET Framework and create new solution, go with the empty. It's creating a new project. I'm sorry, web application I've created. I'm sorry. So let me create the SSRS report. Go to the project, and here you will get the project to create the reporting. Search. While creating a new project, right, it will load all the possible projects that can be created. So it is difficult to search sometimes. So what I'll do, right, here I'll just search report. See, when I search for the report server project is coming. So you have to select that and click next. And the report project name is, I'll give report SSRS report, and I'll create the solution in this location only, and creating a new solution. So just create it. So now I have created the SSRS report solution, and from here we can create a new data source and data set and new reports as well. I'll post how to create a simple SSRS report in the next video. Thank you.